everyone, it's me again with another cool tool. So I picked these bear claws or leaf scoops up at just one of our local stores in the garden center area. They're fairly inexpensive, but I find that they're very well made for the price. So they have these nice little tines here that you can rake, but they have this big surface area for you to actually scoop your leaves to put them in your containers. Now, if you're like me, in the past, I've used my leaf rake here, and then I would scoop it up and use my hand up against the rake, and that's how I would scoop my leaves. This little tool here is going to help you out a lot because you're going to be picking up a lot more leaves or debris in your garden. So I hope you give them a try.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.